Your body speaks before your mind does. Anxiety rarely begins as a thought. It begins as a sensation. Tight shoulders, a breath that never feels complete, a restless heart that races when nothing is happening. These are not random signals. They are your body's way of saying it no longer feels safe. Calm doesn't start in the mind. It starts in the body, not through overthinking or endless effort, but through signals of safety. And movement is one of the clearest signals we can send. Gentle, intentional movement rewires the nervous system. It reminds the body that it can shift out of survival mode and return to balance. Calm is not built by one single breakthrough. It is built through rhythm, repetition, and small choices that compound over time. Just as stress compounds with every late night and rushed morning, relief compounds when you practice movements that anchor you in safety. Each choice becomes a brick in the foundation of resilience. Today we'll explore the best physical exercises for anxiety. Each one is simple, accessible, and backed by science. Together, they create a rhythm your body can trust. Let's begin with walking. It may look ordinary, but it is one of the most profound resets. Every step is rhythm, and rhythm tells your brain to stand down. Research shows even 10 minutes of steady walking lowers cortisol and steadies breathing. Try it after a stressful phone call or first thing in the morning before the day begins. Walk at a pace where you can breathe comfortably. Let your arms swing naturally. Lift your gaze toward the horizon. Match your steps to your breath. Inhale for 4, exhale for 6. At first, your body resists, then gradually it softens. The ground beneath you becomes your anchor. From this rhythm, we flow into yoga. Anxiety makes the body rush. Yoga restores the pause between one moment and the next. And you don't need experience to try it. Start with child's pose. Kneel down. Sit back on your heels and fold forward, resting your forehead on the ground or on a cushion. Let your arms rest. Breathe slowly. Move into cat and cow. On hands and knees, inhale as you arch your spine, lifting your chest. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin. Repeat a few cycles. Finish with legs up the wall. Lie on your back close to a wall. Slide your hips near it, and let your legs rest upward. Stay there for a minute or two, eyes closed, breathing gently. The key is always this: let the breath lead the movement. With each long exhale, your nervous system learns it can leave fight or flight. Stillness is born not in the pose itself, but in the way you breathe through it. But tension often hides deeper than you realize. Progressive muscle relaxation teaches your body to notice it and then release it. Anxiety keeps muscles half tight all the time, preparing for impact that never comes. Here is how. Inhale and gently squeeze your feet. Hold for a few seconds. Exhale and release completely. Then move up to your calves, your thighs, your stomach, your hands, your shoulders, your face, one by one. Tighten, release, and remember the difference. You'll realize how much strain you were carrying without awareness. Over time, baseline tension drops. Sleep deepens. And even in the middle of the day, a single exhale can soften the area that feels locked. Anxiety compresses the body. Shoulders lift, chest collapses, breath cuts short. Breath-synced stretching reverses that pattern. Inhale as you reach tall. Exhale longer as you fold forward. Exhale longer than you inhale. That long out-breath tells the body, you are safe now. Practice this in the morning before work, or in the evening to let go of the day. Soon, stretching becomes less about range and more about release. Sometimes anxiety isn't stillness. It is restless energy buzzing under your skin. For this, gentle cardio becomes release. A bike ride, a swim, even dancing in your living room. Not to exhaust, but to free. Choose joy, not performance. A steady rhythm boosts endorphins without spiking stress hormones. Picture music carrying you into motion, heart steady, breath smooth, and restlessness dissolving into rhythm. Strength adds another dimension. Anxiety can make the body feel fragile, as if it cannot withstand pressure. Gentle strength training rebuilds that trust. Chair squats, wall push-ups, lifting something light with control. Exhale on effort. Each repetition becomes rehearsal. Effort, then calm. Tension, then release. The nervous system learns it can face challenge and return to balance. Confidence grows quietly with every controlled movement, and that confidence extends beyond the body into daily life. When you weave these practices together, you create more than exercise. You create a rhythm of calm, a short walk in the morning to ground your day, stretching or progressive muscle relaxation at midday to reset tension, yoga or strength in the evening to prepare for rest, gentle cardio a few times a week to release stored energy. Calm is not built on intensity. It is built on rhythm. Each anchor tells your body, you are safe. Calm is not stumbled upon. It is trained. It is a cadence your body learns through repetition. One breath at a time. One step at a time. Over and over, until balance becomes the new normal. Every step, stretch, and exhale sends the same message. You are safe now. These practices can transform the way your body handles stress. But anxiety does not look the same for everyone. For some, it lives in the chest. For others, in the stomach. For others still, in restless nights. That's why the first step is understanding your personal profile. In just 3 minutes, you can discover how anxiety shapes your system and the exact next step designed for you. Take my quiz and begin your reset today. Click the link in the pinned comment or in the description and take the quiz now.